Hello student, today we will be solving the IB Math A HL May 2025 paper 1 time zone 2 question number 4. You will be getting the solutions for the first 3 questions from this paper and the solutions to the other questions from the other past papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math A HL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve the question number 4. The maximum mark is 7. Events A and B are such that P of probability of A union B is 5 over 8 and probability of A intersection B prime is 7 over 24. So part A's question is find probability of B. Okay, so if I try to draw the Venn diagram, maybe this is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. Okay, so P of A union B is this whole thing. So the probability of this whole yellow shaded portion is 5 over 8. And P of A intersection B prime. Which part is A intersection B prime? B prime is not B. It is A, but it is not B. Since it is A, it should be a subset or it can cover the entire set A. It will not be any set more than B, A. So it will be either a subset or it will be covering the entire set A. And it will not be B prime. It will not be B. So this is the portion which is within the set A, but it is not including the set B. Okay, so this portion is having the probability of 7 over 24. So what is the probability of B? That the probability of B will be this entire thing. So what will be this part? It will be obviously the yellow shaded portion minus this dotted region. Okay, so therefore you give this diagram. Okay, so part A, probability of B should be equal to probability of A union B minus probability of A intersection B prime, which is equal to 5 over 8 minus 7 over 24. Okay, so therefore probability of B is equal to, I have to get the common denominator, so the common denominator will be 24. Therefore, I have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator of this term by 3. So it is 15 over 24 minus 7 over 24, which is equal to 8 over 24. Okay, so therefore probability of B is equal to 1 over 3. So part B, given that events A and B are independent, find the probability of, this is a conditional probability of A prime, event A prime happening when event B prime has happened. Given that B prime, not B prime, given that B has happened, find the probability of this A prime happening. Okay, so that is the question. So what is the formula for P of A prime conditional probability B has happened? This will be equal to P of A prime intersection B over P of B, right? And which part is P of A intersection B? It is the common region between the event B, the set B, and the set not A. So this is the set B, and this part is the set B but not set A. Okay, so this part is A prime intersection B. we had to get the probability of this part for the numerator. We know the probability of this entire thing. This is P of B. We need to know this part. So, if we can find this part's probability, we can just subtract P of B minus this part is what? P of A intersection B. So, P of B minus P of A intersection B will be equal to P of A prime intersection B. Okay, so we have to, let me just write the formula in case you are getting confused. P of A prime intersection B should be equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. Let me show you the Venn diagram again. This is A prime intersection B part, and this is A intersection B. Okay, so P of A prime intersection B is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. And we need this. So first of all, we have to get the P of A intersection B's value. Okay, so if I take this as X, okay, I have said events A and B are independent. So I have this relation. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A times P of B. Okay, because first of all, we have to find P of A intersection B. So I am having this relation. You may try to find the value of P of A. You can find it. Or else what you can do is, I can write P of A intersection B. I have taken this as X. Okay, so I am writing this as X. And what is P of A? Let's see what is P of A. P of A is the sum total of these two portions, this part, this dotted portion, and this P of A intersection B. And we know the probability of this dotted portion. It is the probability of A intersection B prime, which is 7 over 24, plus P of A intersection B, that is X. So, P of A will be X plus 7 over 24. Okay. So, in place of P of A, I am writing X plus 7 over 24 times 1 over 3, because P of B is equal to 1 over 3. Okay, and 7 over 24 is what? P of A intersection B prime is equal to 7 over 24 given. Okay, and okay, let P of A intersection B equal to X, and then we are having this formula. Okay, you have to write this. And now we can find the value of X, because we need the value of X, that is P of A intersection B. We really do not need to find the value of P of A. So, this is equal to X equal to, I am expanding, X over 3 plus 7 over 24 times 3, 3 times 4 is 12, carried 1, and 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 72. Okay, so now I am subtracting X over 3 from both the sides, so it is X minus X over 3 equal to 7 over 72, or 2x over 3 equal to 7 over 72, or x equal to, I am multiplying by both sides by 3 over 2. So 7 over 72 times 3 over 2. Okay. So this is 2 and 1, 4. So this is equal to 7 over 28. Therefore, P of A intersection B is equal to 7 over 28 is equal to, sorry, not 728, I'm sorry, it is 48. Yeah, 7 over 48. So now we need to have the probability of A prime intersection B. So A prime intersection B is this part, we have seen that, and we know the value of P of B, and we now know the value of this portion, the probability of this portion, that is P of A intersection B. So what will be P of A prime intersection B? It will be equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. So therefore, P of A prime intersection B is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. And P of B was equal to 1 over 3 and P of A intersection B is 7 over 48. Again, the common denominator will be 48. So I have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 16. So it is 16 over 48 minus 7 over 48. Therefore, P of A prime intersection B will be equal to 16 minus 7 is 9. 9 over 48. So this is 3 and this is 16. So this is equal to 3 over 16. Okay. So therefore, P of A prime, given that even B has happened, equal to P of A prime intersection B divided by P of B, which is equal to 3 over 16 divided by 1 over 3, which is 3 over 16. I can write this as divided by 1 over 3 or 3 over 16 times 3 over 1. So, therefore, this conditional probability will be having the value of 3 times 3 is 9, 9 over 16. Okay. So we have completed solving this question number 4. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be really helping me a lot. We meet again very soon. We will be solving question number 5 of the same paper in our next session. Till then, bye.